Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are from R4B class, group A, from the Phonology course. My name is Nala Sapinka and it's my partner Nurasana. In this video, we would like to expand with our project about interactive phonology learning using Blooket. We will expand our product, target learnings, the tools we use to how to use the product and our reflection during the project. We hope this video will be interesting, clear, easy to understand. Thank you for the watching. I will explain our product. Our product is interactive phonology learning games made using Blooket or the quiz. This learning media helps students practice English pronunciation in the fun and interactive way that so students do not feel boring during the lesson. In our product, there are several activities such as the sound of consonants, voice and voiceless sound, minimal pairs match the sound, and also tongue twister challenge. That this activity helps students learning sound while the playing games. The purpose of the product so to improve the student pronunciation skill, help them recognize English sound more easily, and make phonology learning more interesting and enjoyable. Next, with our target learnings are from junior high school students, especially grade 7 and grade 8. Students who still a beginner English learning. We choose junior students because they usually enjoy game-based learning, interactive, active, and help students focus better and more active in the class. For the pronunciation practice also become more fun and less boring. For the learning focus of our product in English consonant sounds, a pronunciation sound practice, sound recognition, and the improve student speaking confident. We hope this product can help students enjoy learning phonology more. Next, here are the some examples for our Blooket activity in our product. We create several interactive quizzes related to phonology learning, such as the guess the sound for consonant sounds, voice and voiceless sound activity, minimal pairs exercise, match the sound games, and tongue twister challenge. Students can answer different kinds of the question while playing fun game in Blooket. They can compete their classmate, collect the point, and there see the score the leaderboard, which make the learning activity more exciting and motivation. Practice correct pronunciation in enjoyable way instead of only listening the explanation from the teacher. Students can effectively participate and learning through games and challenge. Because of that, learning phonology becomes more interactive, interesting, and easier to students to understand.
Hello, my name is Nurasana and my NPM is 078, and I will explain you about our technology and tools we use in our project. For this project, we use Blooket as our main platform because it makes learning more fun and interactive. With Blooket, teachers can create quizzes and games that help students learn in a more exciting way, not just by listening to explanation in class. We also use Canva to design our presentation slides so they look more creative and interesting. And to open and use Blooket, we access it through Google Chrome or Safari for iPhone users. And students can join the activities easily by using their laptops or smartphones as long as they have an internet connections. This technology helps students learn in a more enjoyable, simple, and modern way. Demonstration how to use our product. How to use the quiz as a teacher. Teachers can directly access Blooket through Google or Safari for iPhone users. Then search for Blooket in the search bar. After opening it, the screen will look like this. If you don't have an account yet, we can create one first. If we already have an account, We just need to click login and enter our email and password. Here, we have already created the quiz, so we only need to start the game by clicking host. There are many game options that teachers can choose from and adjust based on their preference. And for this quiz, I will choose the raising game mode. In this mode, teachers can monitor which students answer the most questions correctly. After that, we can click start and the settings page will appear. First, for the score settings, teachers can adjust the points based on the scoring system they want. Then, we can also set the time limit for answering the questions. There are also several other features that teachers can change and customize. Once everything is ready, we can click Host Now and a barcode along with a game ID will appear to share with the students. Here, one student has already joined, so now we can directly click Start. After starting it, the screen will look like this. And this is how to use the quiz as a student. Students can directly access Blooket through Google or Safari for iPhone users. Then search for Blooket in the search bar. After opening it, the screen will look like this. There are 3 options shown here: sign up, join again, and login. Since this is for students, we just need to choose join a game and enter the game ID shared by the teacher. After joining, we need to type in our own names. And then we can choose any character we like. Once the teacher starts the quiz from their device, the students can immediately answer the question that appear on their own phone screen. for the next, we will talk about our reflections and our challenges that we faced while making this project. During this project, we learned a lot about how to create interactive phonology activities that are fun and easy for students to understand. We also realized that educational technology like Blooket can really help students practice pronunciation in a more enjoyable way. Besides that, this project also taught us how to work together as a team by sharing ideas, dividing tasks, and helping each other during the process. However, we also faced several challenges while making this project. One of the biggest challenges was choosing suitable pronunciation materials that match the students' level. We also experienced some internet connections problem during the activity. At first, we need time to learn how to use the feature in Blooket properly, and another challenge was creating quiz questions that were not only educational but also interesting and engaging for students.